Are you looking for the top 5 best electric tillers for easy gardening? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 electric tillers for easy gardening on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Electric tiller for gardening 380 RPM Rototiller 18-inch cultivator 13.5 amp TaskStar TH4500 corded tiller. TaskStar 2025 new garden gift for your loved ones. Gifts for dad, gifts for men. TaskStar next generation exclusive corded electric tiller perfect for breaking ground, tending soil, mixing compost, and aerating gardens. 100% suitable for both beginners and experienced gardeners. Unmatched power and efficiency. The 13.5 amp electric rototiller delivers an uprated 380 RPM, ensuring deep and thorough soil cultivation. With an 18-inch working width and a tilling depth of 9 inches, it maximizes coverage and efficiency, making it perfect for preparing garden beds, aerating soil, and mixing compost with ease. Heavy-duty steel tines effortlessly slice soil for maximum performance. Engineered with 6 PCS heavy-duty performance and rust-resistant blades, TH4500 garden tiller cultivator ensures smooth and consistent soil breaking, tilling, and composting, delivering professional-grade results every time. 3 adjustable height settings. Customize your tilling experience with 3 height settings, providing flexibility for various soil types and conditions. Additionally, the sturdy wheels ensure smooth mobility, making it easy to maneuver across your garden. Number 2. 18-inch 15-amp electric tiller cultivator. The 18-inch 15-amp electric tiller cultivator is a powerful gardening tool designed to make soil preparation faster, easier, and more efficient. Equipped with a robust 15-amp motor, this tiller delivers exceptional performance, effortlessly breaking through tough soil, clay, and compacted dirt. Its wide 18-inch tilling width and adjustable 8-inch depth ensure you can cover more ground in less time, making it ideal for preparing large garden beds, flower patches, or vegetable plots. Featuring durable, sharp steel tines, this cultivator quickly turns over soil while mixing in nutrients, compost, and fertilizer for healthier plant growth. The electric start eliminates the hassle of gas, oil, or pull cords. Just plug in and get to work. Lightweight yet sturdy. The ergonomic handle and easy maneuverability allow for precise control, even in tighter spaces. Designed for eco-friendly operation, the electric tiller runs quietly with 0 emissions, making it perfect for residential neighborhoods. Whether you're breaking new ground or maintaining existing beds, this tiller cultivator saves time and energy while delivering professional results. Durable, reliable, and easy to use, it's the perfect solution for gardeners looking to transform their outdoor spaces with minimal effort. Number 3. MZK 40V 12-inch cordless garden tiller. Efficient tilling performance, MZK 40V cordless tiller features 16 robust steel tines, offering a tilling width of 14 inches and a depth of up to 8.6 inches. It effortlessly breaks up compacted soil, turning it into loose, aerated soil. Great for preparing garden beds or revitalizing lawns, this powerful tool ensures smooth and efficient operation for a superior tilling experience. Long-lasting 4.0 Ah batteries. Equipped with dual 4.0 Ah high-capacity batteries, MZK cordless tiller delivers reliable performance for all your gardening tasks. 2 batteries offers up to 35 minutes of runtime, making it ideal for extended use. With a 180 RPM rotation speed, this electric tiller ensures fast, effective results, turning hard soil into workable ground quickly. Compact and lightweight design. Lightweight yet powerful, MZK tiller is designed for ease of use. Its ergonomic build allows for effortless handling and storage, making it an ideal choice for both seasoned gardeners and beginners. Whether you're working in tight spaces or large garden areas, this tiller provides versatility and ease. MZK committed to providing you with the best shopping experience possible. If you have any questions or problems with your MZK tool, please feel free to contact us. We're always here to help you solve any problems you may encounter. Number 4. Cordless tiller for gardening 360 RPM Rototiller TH4000 cultivator TaskStar electric garden tiller battery powered total 4,000 milliamp hours. TaskStar fantastic garden gift for your loved ones. TaskStar next generation exclusive electric tiller perfect for breaking ground, tending soil, mixing compost, and aerating gardens. 100% suitable for both beginners and experienced gardeners. The TH4000 cordless tiller for gardening boasts a potent 360 RPM motor engineered for exceptional performance, ensuring unparalleled power and precision in all tilling operations. Engineered with 48 heavy-duty, rust-resistant steel tines, the TH4000 garden tiller cultivator ensures smooth and consistent soil breaking, tilling, and composting, delivering professional-grade results every time. Battery-powered garden tiller. 4,000 milliamp hours total, 2.0 aux2. The ion battery provides a decent runtime, making your tilling a breeze, promoting efficacy by 200% plus. Additionally, rechargeable batteries are cost-effective and eliminate the need for fuel. Built to last. TaskStar's durable materials and thoughtful engineering ensure long-lasting reliability. Number 5. LawnMaster T1016M Electric Tiller 10 amp. The LawnMaster T1016M electric tiller is designed to make gardening and soil preparation faster, easier, and more efficient. Powered by a reliable 10 amp motor, this tiller delivers strong performance to break up tough soil, loosen dirt, and prepare planting beds with ease. Its 16-inch tilling width allows you to cover more ground in fewer passes, while the 8-inch tilling depth ensures your soil is properly aerated and ready for planting vegetables, flowers, or grass. Lightweight yet durable, the LawnMaster T1016M is easy to maneuver around gardens of all sizes. The ergonomic handle design provides comfort and control, reducing strain during longer use. Its foldable handles make storage and transport convenient, especially for gardeners with limited space. Unlike gas-powered tillers, this electric model starts instantly with a push of a button and requires no fuel, oil, or messy maintenance, making an eco-friendly choice for your lawn and garden care. Whether you're creating new garden beds, mixing compost, or maintaining soil between rows, the LawnMaster T1016M delivers dependable power and efficiency. Compact, green, and user-friendly, it's the perfect tool for both beginners and experienced gardeners looking to achieve professional results at home.